more than green, one of nature's healthiest things. Light and tasty, smooth and bright, every spoonful feels just right. Dice one large celery root today, chop one onion on the way. Cook them gently in a little oil, cover with water, let them boil. Salt and nutmeg just a pinch, bring the flavor to the finish. When the celery's soft at last, blend it smooth and creamy fast. Celery is more than food, a bowl of health that's really good. Creamy, silky, rich and light, every spoonful feels just right. Pouring cream about 300 ml. 1 spoon of flour works as well. Add more water if you choose, make the texture right for you. Bring it gently to a boil, let the flavors blend a while. Top with toasted bread cubes too, simple goodness just for you. Celery is more than food, a bowl of health that's really good. Every spoonful pure delight, tin whistle sings with rock and roll. This warm soup feeds heart and soul.